Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on my favorite laundry scents. I do have 5 scents to show you all. There are a couple perfumes, and then there are some body mists for those of you who are looking for a lighter, more affordable option. So if you guys are interested in laundry scents, or you guys want to see what my favorite laundry scents are, please stick around and watch this video. So laundry scents are just good everyday scents. They are good for like running errands, going out here and there where you just want to smell good and you don't want to think about it too much. So the very first scent that I have to show you all is Coach by Coach, and this is just Coach, you guys. This is a very cute bottle. The top is the only weird thing. So it came with this little cap, this little plastic thing here, this hard plastic thing that you put on here to, I guess, just protect this nozzle. I don't know if you're supposed to throw it away. You probably are, because there is no cap. This just turns for when you want to spray it. Turn it off, turn it on. So this is just a good laundry type of scent, like all the rest of the scents are. But this one I like to be very careful with. I don't spray this one directly on me. This is one that I spray in front of me and then I walk through it, because it's not like super strong. It's just that it can become overwhelming. If you spray too much, it will be like headache inducing. But it just smells good. I really love it. It just smells like laundry detergent. Freshly laundered clothes. It's just really nice. It's just a nice everyday type of scent. I do think that this one is kind of affordable now because it's like an older scent. A lot of people probably don't really buy it. It's not really popular. I don't really see too much of anybody talking about it, but it's just a great scent and I really like it. So yeah, that's this one. That's Coach by Coach. So next we have Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. It's another one of my favorite laundry scents, and this one I think I like. Yeah, oh my god, I love this one even more than Coach, but it's another one that to me is headache inducing if you spray too much. So same thing with this one. On the clothes, walk through it, and definitely if you spray it on your body, definitely spray it below this area so that it's not constantly wafting up to you from your neck and stuff. There's patchouli in this one, and then there's pear in both of them. They both share a pear note, so I don't know if pear is something that really helps to make them like a fresh laundry type of scent. I know pear can definitely make scents fresh, but apparently it helps with the laundry effect too. But it just smells, y'all, it smells really good, and I really like this scent, you guys. And with all my laundry scents, I usually tend to pair them with like non-scented lotions or some type of fresh lotion, like the ones that go with the body mist that I'm about to show you, so that you know you can get the effect of the laundry smell, and there's nothing that just doesn't mix or is overwhelming. So next we're going to get into the world of our body sprays, and the first body spray that I want to show you all is white T-shirt. And I got this one initially and I was like, I don't like this, it's too fresh. But I have like really grown an appreciation for this one. Like literally this thing smells like a white T-shirt, a fresh laundered white T-shirt. It just smells really good, you guys. There is also pear in this note, which is so crazy, and then there's musk. There's also musk in Jimmy Choo too. So I think pear does definitely go with the laundry scent. But this smells like a freshly laundered white T-shirt, and I love this scent. I definitely like to pair it with the perfumes, or I can just do this by itself with this lotion. But this is like a great scent for just, like I said, errands, everyday wear, for wearing your white T-shirt or jeans, going to the beach, for just having a chill day. It's just that type of scent, and it's really nice. So I like this a lot. Next we have my favorite body mist, my favorite laundry body mist, and that is Fresh and Clean. I absolutely love this scent. This is from the pink brand of Victoria's Secret, and there is sweet apple, fresh tangerine, and sea spray in here. And literally it smells like laundry. Like I used to wear this all the time. It's so good. It just smells like laundry detergent or something, and I absolutely love this. It just smells so good. And I have another bottle, another mini bottle of this, and I'm planning on getting a bigger bottle too. But I just love this scent. It smells so good, and you smell the tangerine in there, but it's like fresh laundry, fresh feminine laundry. So it's definitely more of a feminine laundry type of scent. They're all feminine, but this one is even more so. And Jimmy Choo is very feminine as well, but I love this scent, you guys. So last but not least, we have Fresh Getaway, and this is from the same collection as white T-shirt, and this also smells like laundry. It also smells like fresh, nice fresh laundry, a bit like laundry. Of all of them, it's the least laundry-ish because it's very citrusy. but it's like citrus mixed with a laundry effect. In this one, there's bright yuzu citrus and fresh ocean air. Yuzu is a very bright scent. It's very happy and citrusy, and oh my god, it just smells so good. Then you get the ocean air, which I guess lends to the freshness of it, and it smells just like, it just smells clean and like laundry, but it's like it's like you have fresh laundry clothes on and then you spray some type of citrusy spray over it. But it's just a nice laundry scent if you want to add some extra to it. So I do really like this one. So that's the end of this video. I probably would have talked more about the scents, but my camera is literally about to die. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope that you all stick around, maybe watch more, and until next time, you guys, bye.